Deluxe Venom Brand kit with float replaces the following, compatible with Johnson Evinrude part numbers 396701, 392061, 398729, 187222, 187042. Includes the parts pictured to rebuild 2 carburetors. See fitment chart below for HP year fit before buying. Get back on the water sooner with fast Amazon Prime shipping. Please refer to your repair manual for procedures adjustment settings. Top reviews from the United States. Good kit. Worked good. Put this into my 1978 Johnson 35 horsepower. Johnson used the same carburetors in many models and just added more of them depending on the horsepower. Make sure to be cautious when taking out the old lead pound in balls to help prevent scoring of the ball seat. Currently have about 40 hours this summer on this rebuild and it still seems to be kicking good.